Discover the Fender Blues Deluxe Harmonica, a versatile and reliable instrument perfect for both beginners and seasoned players. Crafted with durable materials, it features a traditional shape, bright and articulate sound, and long-lasting build quality. The chromed metal covers ensure comfortable playing, while the moisture-resistant plastic combs provide bright tone and tuning stability. Comes with a protective vented case to keep it dry and included cloth for maintenance. Whether you're starting out or playing professionally, the Fender Blues Deluxe is your ideal harmonica. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Anwenk Harmonica, the perfect beginner-friendly instrument for beginners, kids, and music lovers alike. Measuring just 4 inches by 0.9 inches by 0.8 inches, this 10-hole diatonic harmonica in the key of C offers 20 vibrant tones, ideal for blues, folk, and pop music. Its smooth plastic comb and chrome steel cover make playing easy and comfortable, while the copper reed plates deliver rich, crisp sound. Complete with a case, instruction guide, and cleaning cloth. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the EastRock Junior Harmonica, perfect for beginners exploring blues, folk, rock, country, and jazz musical styles. With exquisite craftsmanship and a beautiful appearance, this harmonica delivers a rich, sensitive, and airtight sound thanks to its precision-made plastic comb and brass reed plate. Its compact pocket size makes it easy to carry everywhere. Parties, school, office, or travel. The package includes key of C harmonica instrument manual and cleaning cloth, making it a great gift or opportunity to start your musical journey. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the JDR Blues Harmonica, the perfect musical companion for beginners and seasoned players alike. Crafted with chrome-plated mirror stainless steel to resist rust and corrosion, each harmonica is carefully tuned and tested for top performance. Made from thickened copper and non-toxic resin, it delivers rich, vibrant sounds across blues, jazz, folk, country, and rock. Its lightweight, portable design fits right into your pocket. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the EastRock Harmonica, your perfect musical companion. Crafted with high-quality materials like phosphor bronze reeds and stainless steel covers, it delivers melodious sound and lasting durability. Its practical design includes a key of C major with 10 holes and 20 tunes, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players. The elegant appearance and user-friendly features help you play with confidence across blues, folk, pop, jazz, rock genres. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the EastRock Harmonica, your perfect musical companion. This 10-hole professional diatonic harmonica is ideal for beginners and seasoned players alike, delivering rich, responsive sound with precise tone. Its exquisite craftsmanship, airtight design, and comfortable feel make it easy to master over blowing and bending techniques. Compact and portable, it fits easily into your pocket so you can enjoy music anywhere. At parties, on trips, simply practicing at home. The elegant leather box makes it a wonderful gift. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the EastRock Harmonica, a professional 10-hole diatonic instrument perfect for adults and all skill levels. Its exquisite craftsmanship delivers a rich, responsive sound suitable for blues, folk, rock, country, and jazz music. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into your pocket so you can play anywhere. From parties to trips, beautifully packaged, it makes an ideal gift for loved ones. Elevate your music with this reliable, high-quality harmonica. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.